We have absolutely got to keep an eye on the wind. So let's get a check of your forecast with meteorologist Lauren Bostwick. Lauren, a lot to take in this morning.
Most definitely. We have a major cold frontal system that'll swing through today and create windy conditions, and also it will cause a bit of a chilly conditions as we move into the latter part of today. So first alert weather day in store for you today and tomorrow. Heads up, it's going to get very windy and it's going to get very cold by a little bit later on today. We're talking about 69 degrees. Good morning to you. Dallas, it's nice and mild right now. Winds from the south around 17 miles per hour. Definitely feeling it, but it'll get way gustier as we head into this afternoon. We're talking about anywhere from around lunchtime to 6 p.m. today is when the winds will be the gustiest. In fact, they will be sustained 25 to 35 miles per hour, wind gusts upwards of 50 miles per hour. This is exactly why we're holding on to a wind advisory that'll be in effect as we continue into the overnight tonight. Take a look at some of these winds. It's associated with a frontal system that'll continue to move down to the south and to the east. By 1 p.m. we're looking at wind gusts upwards of around 40 to 50 miles per hour here for our northwestern counties and across the Metroplex, but it'll stay windy until around 6 p.m. and even into the evening hours tonight. Winds will eventually settle down as we head into the day tomorrow, but it will still remain a bit on the breezier side of the aisle. Because it's gusty, we're looking at dry conditions and warmer than average temperatures. Red flag warning will be in effect here across North Texas today. Please avoid any activities that may cause a spark or a flame. That's for the majority of North Texas. However, into East Texas, chance for a few of isolated strong rumbles of thunder. And again, that will be for our far eastern counties. Not everybody will see strong thunderstorm development, but a couple of isolated cells could be on the stronger end of the spectrum. Here's a look at that frontal system as it swings through. Temperatures top out into the 80s in the afternoon today, and then the latter part of the afternoon into the evening, we're talking about 3 p.m. temperatures will plummet back into the low 70s and eventually into the 60s by that 5 p.m. hour tonight. 9 p.m. we're in the low 50s, and check this out. Temperatures tomorrow morning will continue to drop back into the 30s, but we'll hold on to those gusty conditions. That's what's going to make the feels like temperature even colder. So tomorrow morning, you're waking up to the 30s, potential for a freeze. Make sure you're protecting any sensitive vegetation, but look at this feels like value. We're in the 20s. Make sure you're bundling up if you have any outdoor plans tomorrow morning. Temperatures will climb tomorrow back into the 40s by lunchtime. High temperature for the day only topping out into the 50s. Now things get nicer as we move into your St. Patty's Day. 66 degrees, mostly sunny skies. We'll hold on to a little bit of a breeze, but hey, Tuesday, not looking too bad. It looks like we lucked out. Again, first alert weather day is in store for us today for high gusty winds. Tomorrow for tomorrow morning, 34 degrees is the low temperature, but it'll feel like the 20s. Then the week, well, it's going to warm up. By the start of spring equinox, we're talking about 92, and it will be feeling like spring.